You know, if you give a Republican long enough, they'll eventually get into the psycho talk zone. I knew Senator Chuck Grassley was going to get there from Iowa. Now, Grassley is the ranking Republican on the Finance Committee. They're doing this health care thing, right? Otherwise known as the committee with their head in the sand, and they proved that all last week by talking about how they're against the public option. Now, the senator went home to Iowa, and he was hosting a town hall meeting in Waukon, Iowa, during the recess, and faced some tough questions from constituents. Now, a man in the audience took the microphone and told the senator about his crushing health care bills that his family was facing. Then he asked the senator from Iowa, a simple and fair question. Why couldn't he get that same kind of coverage that he's got in the Senate? Grassley didn't like that too much. Here's how it went.
Why is your insurance so much cheaper than my insurance and better than my insurance? I think I should have the same insurance that you have.
I can tell you what percentage I pay. I pay 32%.
32%
of the cost, yes.
Of the cost.
And if you want a better insurance policy, go work for John Deere. They don't pay anything.
Go work for John Deere. Not a very good and sensitive solution since John Deere has been laying workers off in the state of Iowa. Now, the man in the audience didn't take that smoke. He wasn't satisfied with that answer, so he tried it one more time. This time, Senator Grassley, he came up with a dandy of an answer. Here it is.
How come I can't have the same thing you have?
You can. Go work for the federal government.
If you want good health insurance, go work for the federal government. Now, hold it right there. I thought the Republican Party was all about smaller government. I thought that they wanted to shrink government, that they don't want to spend money on anything. So Senator Grassley, this fiscal conservative, he cares about families struggling to pay their health care bills. It sure is, he's got a funny way of showing it, don't you think? Grassley has made it crystal clear that he will not support a public option, even though a majority of Americans and the majority of his constituents at 53% support such a plan in the state of Iowa. Now, telling Americans to go work for the federal government is a real flip-flop. And especially, you can call me crazy, but that's just not a great plan for fixing the health care system. Senator Grassley, you are doing some psycho talk.